Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to PRC Foundation. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Today, I am going to discuss the questions. The name of the question is discuss the rule of Linda Loman. So, firstly, I will discuss introductions, then the point out of the questions, and finally conclusion. So first of all, we will know introduction of the questions. Introduction. Linda Loman is the heroine of the play Date of Salesman, which is written by Arthur Miller. The life durations of Arthur Miller 1915 to 2005. Linda Loman is a typical mother figure and devout wife of Willie Loman. She is the most sympathetic character of the play. She always tries to protect Willie Loman's dream and emotion. The first point of these questions is a good life partner. Linda Loman is royal and loving life partner and a good mother. She manifests one aspect of the success myth, security and stability. She supports her husband. He believes his husband. She loves her husband in spite of all his fault and always stand by him. The second point of this question is dependable persons for the Willie Loman. Linda Loman is the dependable persons of Willie Loman. At the beginning of the play, we have seen that Willie Loman come to back at midnight. He has drawn the tension because he does not drive the car. At that moment, Linda Loman gives the consolation. On the other hand, in the play, we have seen that Loman has failed in math in high school. That is why he has gone Boston because of meet his father. Here, Loman discover illicit love affair his father and Boston girl. He has tell his mother all about it. But Linda Loman loves her husband. It is proof that Linda Loman is the dependable persons of Willie Loman. The other points of this question is intelligence and silence. Linda Loman is an intelligent woman and silent persons in the drama. We have seen Linda Loman is a silent woman. We have seen in the drama Loman has drawn passes of arms with his father. Again, Willie Loman has an American dream. He cannot face reality life. Here in the drama Art of True, I have seen that Linda Loman says her husband that he has $200 need for solve this problem. I have seen in the play. On the other hand, Linda Loman always face reality and solve this problem. Here, it is proved that Linda Loman is a silent and intelligent person and she supports her husband. And last conclusions. Linda's rules of the play is not a complex one. She is simply traditional and concerned wife and mother who struggle to make ends meet and keep her family, practically Willie. So everybody will be healthy. Tata, bye bye.